Alright, welcome back to the last lesson of Art 2. Ja, heute machen wir doch ein neues Verb namens lassen. We're doing a new verb in the name of lassen. Now, lassen in German, it's like having many meanings. It could be interpreted like let in English, but it has many meanings. Yes. So we'll begin with the different meanings of lassen and also see what it means in what it looks like in its perfect form and past form. So the verb is lassen, and basically you conjugate it like ich lasse, du lasst, sie es lasst, wir lassen, ihr lasst, sie, sie lassen. Yeah. Okay. Right. Now here the first meaning of lassen is to forgo something. Yes. You forgo something. It's like you give up something. Ich lasse rauchen. I give up smoking. Yes. Second is to leave back something. Yes. Ich habe das Handy zu Hause gelassen. I have left my mobile at home. Normally used in the perfect form. Yeah. The third meaning, to give permission to someone. Now here it's used like a helping verb, not like the main verb. So it's like, ich lasse dich mein Auto fahren. I let you drive my car. I give you permission to drive my car. Yes. Then the fourth meaning is to get something done. Yes. Ich lasse die Küche putzen. Yes. So it's ich veranlasse dass Küche geputzt wird, organized, that the kitchen gets cleaned, or ich lasse die Küche putzen. I get the kitchen cleaned. Yes, that's the meaning. To get something done. Again, used like in helping verb. Yeah. Verb means in the second position the verb. In the end comes the main verb in infinitive. Yes. Also here. In the end, it's also used like in a reflexive manner, in a passive form. That means the computer lässt sich reparieren. The computer can be repaired. Yes, the computer lets itself be repaired. The computer can be repaired. Yes, it's used in passive form in third person, mostly for objects, subjects, like something like passive sentence. Okay, object being turned into a subject. Yes. Okay. So these are the 5 meanings. We have denoted them with A, B, C, D, E. So here are some sentences. Wir sollten diese Sätze ergänzen. We got to fill up the blanks of these sentences. Und wir sollten bestimmen, we got to determine, welche Optionen passen zu den Sätzen. We got to determine which sentences pass to these sentences, which are the meanings. Yeah. Okay. Ich darf alle schlechte Gewohnheiten wie Rauchen und Alkohol trinken. So I dash all bad habits like smoking and drinking alcohol. So it will be I forgo. Ich lasse. Oh, ich habe mein Handy zu Hause. Dash. Oh, I have left back my mobile at home. So ich habe mein Handy zu Hause gelassen. Right? So in the first one, the meaning was A. In the second one, the meaning is B. Now here, mach keine Sorge, ich dash das Haus aufräumen. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll get the house cleaned. So the meaning is basically D, to get something done. Ich lasse das Haus aufräumen. Aufräumen is basically to put things in place, to get cleaned up and tidy. So I'll get it done. It's basically day. So that's right here. Option D. Okay, moment. Did it come or it didn't? Alright. Okay, so we need to get the D option here. Let's write D. Okay, kannst du mich dein Auto fahren dash? Can you allow me to drive your car? So it will be the meaning to give permission. That is say. So it will be kannst du mich dein Auto fahren lassen? Yes, it's the modal verb kannst du, and we have used 2 verbs, fahren, lassen. Okay, so it's again to give permission. Okay, ich dash mir meine Haare schneiden. I get myself a haircut. So it's getting something done. Again, a helping verb. Ich lasse mir meine Haare schneiden. I get for myself a haircut. So it's again to get something done here, and it's day. Yes, so let's write day. Der Lehrer dasht uns auf den Sportplatz gehen. So the teacher gives permission to us to go to the playing ground, on the playing ground. So basically it's again der Lehrer, it'll be lässt. Very good. Uns auf den Sportplatz gehen. So it's like giving permission. It'll be say. Super. Dash uns ins Kino gehen. So it's like let us go in the cinema theater. So it's like which one would it be? Let's find out. It's like we're getting something done. Yes. So it's like day. So we'll first write lasse. Imperative Satz. We are giving order in first person. Or we are giving order in second person. Yeah. And here we write day. Perfect, to get something done. Ich darf rauchen, als ich 13 war. I gave up smoking as I was 30. So it's like in the past. So we'll use lassen. That's irregular verb. So we'll conjugate it without E. That means ich ließ. Very good. I left or I gave up smoking at the age of 30. Der Computer darf sich nicht reparieren. Okay. So we have a missing number. Let's see if I can solve it. And I think I can. Okay, a little problem with this. Not to worry, we'll get sorted it. Perfect, well done. So here we have it sorted out. Okay, super duper. So der Computer dash, and what was this? Ich ließ rauchen, it'll be I forgo. It was A. So here, A. Yes. Perfect. So here you go. Alright, then der Computer darf sich nicht reparieren. So that the computer doesn't let itself be repaired. So it's like the meaning E, sich lassen, to let itself get repaired. So it's like der Computer lässt sich nicht reparieren. Der Computer kann nicht repariert werden. If you remember the past, yes. So it will be basically A. Yeah? Ich darf mir eine Pizza bringen. Yeah? Okay. Okay. Ich darf mir eine Pizza bringen. Okay. So it could be I let for myself pizza be brought. So it could be veranlassen. It could be ich lasse mir eine Pizza bringen. So it's to get something done. We could write super. In the end, man kann das Fahrrad noch fahren, weil es sich noch reparieren lässt. Yes. One can still ride the bicycle because it still lets itself be repaired. So it's like it's repairable. Yes. So it's again sich reparieren A. Reflexive passive. Ja, das Fahrrad kann noch repariert werden. Can still be repaired. Okay, super. Gehen wir weiter. Der Chef darf sich eine Party gönnen. So the boss allows himself basically to enjoy the party. So it's like lässt. Yes. And which form would it be? If we recall, what was the one to allow yourself, to give permission? It was C. So let's write here C. Okay, dash das Kätzchen nie in Ruhe. Okay, das Kätzchen in Ruhe. Let the cat be in peace. So arrange for that the cat is in peace. So it's like, or it could be leave the cat in peace, leave back the cat in peace. So it could be basically lasse. Yeah. So it could be lass. Imperative Satz, zweite Person, giving an order in second person, lass. Lass das Kätzchen in Ruhe. Leave the kitten in peace. Okay, so it'll be the Bedeutung ist B. Yeah. Okay. Oh, yes, B. Wir dash uns einen Urlaub von einem Reisebüro planen. Wir dash uns einen Urlaub von einem Reisebüro planen. We arrange for a holiday we plan by a, we get our holiday planned by a Reisebüro travel office. So it's like lassen to get something done. So it will be wir lassen with the meaning of getting something done. That was day. Yes. So we could write here day. Perfect. Dash uns Schach spielen. Allow us to play Schach. Schach is chess. So it will be lass uns Schach spielen. It's like a polite request. Give us the permission to play chess. And it would be again, the permission is say. So let's write here say. Perfect. Kann man mich nicht in Ruhe dash? Can one not leave me back in peace? So it's like lassen. Yes. Here it's being used in the end with können. So the meaning is be, leave back. Okay. Dash wir ihn zurück. We allow him to come back. Or it's like lassen wir ihn zurück. We allow him to come back. So it's like give permission. It'll be say. Fantastic. We could have said lassen wir ihn zurückkommen. Yes. Verb, we need a main verb. Okay, bevor wir Alkohol dash wir uns das letzte Mal gut austrinken. So before we forgo alcohol, so it's like the lassen, yeah. Wir dash uns das letzte Mal gut austrinken. We allow ourselves to drink as much as we want, austrinken, yes. So it's like lassen wir uns, so it's like first is a, and then it is we allow ourselves say. But we could cross-check. Say is to give permission and a is to forego something. Okay. Moving forward, the last one, dash euch von German von John Berlin. Deutsch lernen. Okay. So it's like arrange for yourself to learn German from German with John Berlin. So lass euch. It's a polite request. And it's again to get something done. So it's day. Super duper fantastisch, ja? Und so ist Stufe A2, Niveau A2 fertig. Haben wir dort verschiedene Sachen gelernt. Ich bitte euch, dass ihr solltet nochmal alles wiederholen. I request you to revise all what we learned, indem Sie selbst diese Übungen machen, in which you practice these exercises by yourself. Ja, Sie haben doch Arbeitsbuch bei euch. You have the workbook at your place, at your end, hopefully. So, nachdem ihr diese Aufnahme gehört haben oder gesehen haben, after you've seen and heard these recordings, könntet ihr doch selbst die Übungen probieren. It would be recommended you try the exercises by yourselves from the workbook, the answer book. Yes. Super. So Deutsch macht Spaß. German is fun to learn. Ja. So danke für das Mitmachen. Treffen wir uns nächstes Mal. Fangen wir eine neue Stufe B1. Ich drücke euch die Daumen. Best of luck to you. Und genau. Bis dann. Tschüss.